I'm so excited. I can't even like handle this right now. I have a really special video for you guys today. This is a super special unboxing. The day that I'm filming this today is actually my birthday. Yay! And so my husband treated me to an absolute unbelievable gift. This is my Holy Grail bag that I have wanted and thought about, you know, for the better part of probably 10 years or something. It's what I think is every girl's, you know, dream bag, and it just arrived a little while ago by UPS. I've got this ginormous box here. You can see it's completely sealed. I have not even like cut the tape yet to take a look or take a peek inside or anything. So this is a true unboxing, and I'm actually kind of like nervous right now. I'm just hoping that it will be, you know, everything it is in my mind. So anyway, let's just jump in to the unboxing. I've got some scissors here, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tape. Oh my gosh. This box is really heavy also, by the way. But a little story time as I do this. We made this purchase, you know, through Fashion File, which is a great website if you haven't heard of it. They do lots of luxury goods. And you can find lots of really great vintage pieces and stuff. I've never purchased anything on Fashion File before, so I might do another video that kind of like reviews that whole process, but here we go. I don't know how to like show you this and like hold it up too. I'm like so nervous. I love watching unboxing videos, you guys. They're just so exciting, and I think part of the fun is just seeing the person's excitement themselves, you know? So here we go, opening up the box. This is so cool, Fashion File. And let's see. Okay, there's lots of stuff in the box. Oh my gosh, this is like too large and in charge here. But this is the inside of the box. There's lots of really great confetti kind of, or tissue paper that's in here. So let's see, lots of really pretty stuff. And this is cool. I actually got one of these nail files, a fashion file, if you will. Got a really great, just nice thank you card that's in here, and then a little envelope, which I think is probably my receipt and paperwork stuff. See what's in here. Yeah, so it's just got like receipt information and customer information. And then in here, I will just put this down. Here is the box. It's got a fun sticker on it that says used is the new fashionfile.com. Super pretty. So I'll go ahead and undo that. Oh my God, you guys. Holy moly. So this is the well-known sort of large magnetic box, the Chanel box. It's like a matte black, thick cardstock that their bags come in, and I am noticing just a little bit of rips and tears and stuff around the box, but it's obviously fine. Okay, I'm gonna open the box. I'm like really nervous, you guys, but oh my gosh. There's the beautiful dust bag. Oh my goodness. It's in really great condition. There's lots of rolled like paper around the sides to kind of keep this in place. I'll just put this down and take out the bag. Oh, and there's like an extra piece of felt. I think this usually goes on the inside of the flap to protect some of the hardware and stuff, and it looks like in the box there's maybe some original white tissue, There's also some, looks like original black tissue, so this person kept all their bits and bops really well, so that's great. I'm like nervous to go in. Okay, let's take a peek. Oh my goodness. The dust bag is so nice. It's so plush. Dun, 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 dun. This is the beautiful jumbo classic flap bag in the caviar leather with the gold hardware. I think that's every detail, and oh my goodness, she is a beauty. I'm so excited. I'm so happy with this sort of first impression. Excellent condition. The corners are great. Very minimal wear on this corner right here. So this is a pre-loved bag. I don't think I explained any of that. Fashionphile sells pre-loved goods in varying conditions, and what's cool about them is that the previous person sends in the item and Fashionphile will take all the photos and do like a full assessment of authenticity and condition. But this is beautiful. So this bag, I believe, is from 2011, which is what I really wanted, because according to some, the leather quality from that time was really great, and in more recent years, people feel that the quality has changed and is kind of in decline a little bit. I don't know. So I knew I wanted to go for like kind of an older bag that was in good condition, but you can see it's got the chain strap up top, and in the back, a really nice large pocket. And another reason I wanted an older bag, you can just see the bend in the sides here, both looking uniform and really good. I wanted an older bag because caviar with time is known to get this really nice glossy sheen, which I just think is so beautiful and elegant. It makes it more dressy, but typically from what I've heard and read and videos I've watched, that comes from years of use. And I wanted that glossy, amazing, dressy look right now without putting in, you know, 5, 6, 7 years of use. I mean, this is just amazing. There's like a slight little dip right there. I don't know if that's where like the chain was kind of pressed into the bag in packing, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a look inside. There are tags attached, and if you've never bought from Fashionphile before, once you cut the tags, you can no longer return the item. So make sure you do sort of like a full good inspection of what you bought in good sunlight, you know, good natural light, so that you can make sure that you're happy with the condition. Otherwise, you do want to keep the tags on, and I believe you need to send it back like within 7 days. So the turn lock is working perfectly. The CCs are a beautiful bright gold. Okay, wow. So pretty. So we've got the lovely hardware up top that says Chanel Paris. Oops. The flap top here. Okay, and you can see there is, can you see that? There's like a little bit of a bend right here. So I think that's probably just from use, and that might be what kind of caused a little bit of a dip, but it's really not noticeable. Let's look in here. Yup, beautiful oxblood lining that's in there. I will not overstretch that too much. Okay, and the rest of the chain is tucked here in the back, which looks great. Oh, and then the flap. Oh my gosh. Wow. You can really see the color there, that beautiful burgundy oxblood. I'm looking at this carefully now. Honestly, no scratches, you guys. There's just a little bit of, like little bits of fiber. I think it's just from the tissue, you know? And then inside, the gold stamp there. I'll try to zoom you guys in, but Chanel, made in France. I really wanted one that was made in France, and I was even looking at the medium size for quite some time, and I had come across some that had like a black interior. And of course, if you're gonna go for it, I say get the one you really want. Get the black, I mean get the the color combination you want, the hardware combo you want, the interior you want, the made in France or Italy or whatever you want, you know. And then right here you've got the additional pocket. I have to say the quality is so lovely. I don't know what a new one of these feels like. I have not tried one, like a fresh new one at the boutique or anything, but I am loving the feel of this one from 2011. So here's the inside pocket, you know, 2 slip pockets in the back, lipstick pocket right there. But wow. And the popper looks good. There's a little bit of gold wear right there, so clearly this bag was used, which is fine. And then, oops, let me just see. Let's look at the back a little bit too. So all the stitches back here look really good. I have not inspected the chain super carefully, but the chain looks great. I don't see any like color fade in the metal or anything like that. I was also worried about the noise because a lot of people say that their jumbos, the chain makes a lot of noise. So tell me what you think about this. Doesn't sound too loud. A lot of people have said it's a really, really loud chain strap. I am suspecting that the leather softens with time, just like the main bag, and so this doesn't make too much noise. The weight is absolutely beautiful. The back pocket is great. And, oh, I wondered this. The back pocket is lined also in burgundy. I don't know if you can, whoa, see, but yeah. I love that the pocket's really nice and big on the jumbo. Ooh, it's even really buttery soft inside. And let's see, really no damage on the back. I think from sitting a long time, I know that the bags can start to like buckle in right here, like right like this a little bit. So when it's not in use, I'll definitely keep this stuffed, but oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot believe this is here, and that it's in my hands. So quick story time, this has been my holy grail bag for a long time. In 2006, 7, 8, I really started getting obsessed with Chanel, and at that time I was really interested in the 2.55 reissue bag actually. But then a few years later, I really thought about it and I was like, you know, if you're gonna go for it, just get the really classic one. I mean, the 2.55 is absolutely stunning, but I realized that this is more so my forever bag. I'm very happy with the size. I'm kind of short, like 5'2", 5'3", so I wasn't sure if this would work on me, but it's so gorgeous, I will make it work, you know? And I'm just eternally grateful to my dear husband for going for it. He, you know, he's such a lovely person and such a caring, so grateful to have him in my life. And what's funny is I've always been the kind of person, even as a little kid, who I would want to like save my nice things and not use things. I wouldn't even like use my best erasers in my pencil case, you know, kind of a thing. And so I'm always kind of like waiting to do things, waiting to go places, waiting to buy special treats for myself. And my husband said to me, you know, just go enjoy it now. If you're really gonna enjoy it, if you know you're gonna use it and love it, just go for it now. You don't have to wait. And coming up on this birthday today, you guys, that's what I had been really thinking about too. Like, you know, when you're younger and in your teens or 20s, yeah, you feel like I want to be more established before I kind of start spending a lot of money, or you want to build up your career first and stuff like that. But I'm much further along now in my age, and so the attitude that I'm embracing now with my life and where I'm at in my journey is, if not now, when? When are you going to go for the things? If you're not going to do it in your 30s or late 30s, you know, when? 40, 50, 60. So that's the attitude I'm taking on now. If not now, when? So just go for the things that you love, and you know, I'll have more years to actually enjoy this now. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments what you think. I will absolutely be doing more videos on this to share what fits inside. I definitely want to like protect the interior and not get scratches. I don't know. Tell me if you have questions. I'd love to do kind of a review on Fashionphile and my whole buying process and what that looked like, research tips, all sorts of things. But what do you guys think? I mean, isn't this just like unreal. And I hope the camera is catching like all the gloss. Like, oh, love it. I just think that looks so, so pretty. Well, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so, so, so much for sticking with me and watching this whole unboxing. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment down below with any questions, and subscribe for more. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!